My name is Emily Duran, and I am the CEO of Kern Family Health Care. Kern Family Health Care's mission is to ensure that we focus on health equity for all. We want to ensure that our members not only have access to the appropriate health care, we want to ensure that we're also addressing social determinants of health. What that means is that we look at everyone's needs by population. And specifically, just over the last few years, we have enhanced our population of focus to include those individuals that were previously incarcerated. The justice-involved population is now under our scope and responsibility, and what we want to do is ensure that they also have access to care and transition successfully back into the community. The expungement clinic and the enhanced version of this collaborative was really a brainstorming idea between Alexia and Dr. Craybill and myself, and it was over a casual conversation that we talked about the challenges and the initiation of the expungement clinic. And what we layered on as a health plan was the community services aspect. We layered on a focus of healthcare. We have clinical services available during this time. We also connect them to a case manager that will help with finding employment, identifying housing, and ensuring that some of those basic community needs are met. And the importance about collaboration is really trying to create a model that can be replicated throughout the state of California. And what we did in Kern County is we initiated the conversation between our legal resources here within the community, CSUB, and especially some of our community-based organizations to help enhance the experience. And what we did differently this year through our collaborative partnerships was incorporate a pre-clinic, which was instrumental in ensuring that we also had our state agencies, such as the Office of Probation, the District Attorney's Office, who play key roles in the overall process of expunging someone's record. It was probably the epitome of a collaboration that will definitely benefit our community.
So my name is Alexia Torres Stallings, and I am a managing partner at the law firm for Torres and Torres Stallings. An expungement is basically a dismissal of a conviction, and the process can be pretty daunting and pretty lengthy inside of the courthouse. What we are doing here at the expungement clinic is making it very easy for individuals. With our community partnerships between the Superior County Courts, the District Attorney's Office, and the Probation Department, we're able to facilitate these individuals in an expedited manner. We see it all the time pay itself forward. Even individuals from the expungement clinic several years ago, they like to come back and help or spread the word because they were just so appreciative and they had such a positive experience with the clinic. And that's why our law firm is so involved. We really see the necessity within the community itself, and it really is just that final endpoint of what we do as criminal defense lawyers, giving those individuals back their life. And so when I talk about successes, I like to say that we are the only county in the entire state of California that is performing at this level with an expungement clinic of this expediency. You do not see this anywhere else in any other area of California with the California State University system. Because at the time that we are doing our clinic, individuals know right then and there whether or not they are going to have their record cleared. And that is really important for those individuals. But again, it's bringing back that access to justice within our community.
My name is Dr. Janine Craybill, and I'm a professor of political science, and I'm also the director of the pre-law program at CSU Bakersfield. What started the inspiration for the CSUB Pop-Up Expungement Clinics is also part of our larger CSUB Legal Information and Support Clinic program. And that started because here in Kern County, we're in a legal desert, which means we have more people in need of legal services than we have attorneys. So as a way to bridge that gap, we decided that we were going to be focusing on our young adults here at Kern County and at CSU Bakersfield that were interested in the law. and to give them hands-on experience in working with attorneys in the community and really building a pipeline for them to come back after law school and want to practice here in Kern County and give back to a community that really needs legal services.
And so the expungement clinic really helps our students understand that people have different challenges in life. Our ability to teach students to be able to help address people with challenges is really an experience that they'll carry with them for the rest of their careers. Service to others. What's successful about the expungement clinic in terms of as it relates to our partners is it really shows that certain challenges in our society, in our community, require multiple hands. They can't be accomplished by one set of hands. One person can't do it. So it requires the collective effort of the university, of our community partners, especially in healthcare and law enforcement, our judicial system, all to come together in order to help solve a problem for an individual. And by solving problems for each of those individuals, we're solving problems for our overall community.
My name is H.A. Sala. I'm a criminal defense lawyer. I've been a lawyer now 42 years and am certified by the State Bar as a specialist in criminal law for the last 35 years. This particular clinic is very unique. It's very different than any other clinic, I venture to say, in the state of California. Because when we originally discussed forming the clinic, we had discussed having it at CSUB, California State University. We decided, however, it would be very difficult and inconvenient for prospective clients to go to the university. We decided to go to their community. And that is what makes it different. We actually go to the area where they live. They come to the clinic and also get immediate results. The work that we do has to come from within. You have to feel a need to help. That is to encourage people that they can and do have a second chance by having the conviction expunged. And that's important because it not only assists individuals in securing better employment, better health care, housing, but it is also important to the public safety of our community.
I feel like CSUB and all of our community partners, we're really privileged to be able to do this kinds of work. And you see it in people's faces when they're sitting across from you and they're getting their paperwork filled out. You just start to see the weight come off of their shoulders. The scarlet letter is being removed, and we're welcoming them back into society. And I love seeing my students' faces as they see that happening. And it's tying them closer to the community. And again, we want to build servant leaders here at CSUB, because if you're privileged enough to be in a position of leadership, then your job is to be a servant to your community, and I firmly believe that.